Hello, my name is Dr. Caronia and I'm the Chairman of Pediatrics for Catholic Health. Today I'm going to speak to you about keeping your toddler safe. Toddlers within the age range of 2 to 3 years of age. At this age, they're able to walk up and down stairs, kick balls, run easily, pedal tricycles, and truly get around. This will make it difficult for us to continuously ensure that they are safe. Auto safety comes first. Car seats appropriate for this age, size, weight at all times for every ride. Falls continue to be dangerous. Please lock the doors to any dangerous areas that you don't want children to get into, and make sure that if it is locked and they shouldn't go, hide the keys. Continue to use your gate and window guards throughout the house. Keep your children away from kitchen appliances, irons, wall and floor heaters, and please continue to place plug covers on all outlets. At this age, poisonings continue to be problematic. Please keep all medications in child-resistant containers and locked up out of reach. Store only those household products and medications that are used regularly, keeping them in locked cabinets. And save the phone number of the local poison control center in your phone in the event that you do need to call for help. The toll-free poison control helpline is 1-800-222-1222, and they will refer you to the local poison control center. I hope that this information helps you to keep your baby, your toddler, safe. For more information, please visit our website at Catholic Health. Thank you.